Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we shall see the significance of National Sports Day. National Sports Day is a public holiday celebrated in various countries to honor the national sports theme and sports tradition. In India, National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year. To commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all time. Major Dhyan Chand is popularly known as the Hockey Wizard for this magical touch, super control, creativity and extraordinary goal-scoring feats. Major was born on 1905, Prayag, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. In 1922, Dhyan Chand joined Indian Army as a soldier. In 1928, he led Indian team to Olympics in Amsterdam and bags gold. In 1932, he brought gold again at the Los Angeles Olympic and in 1936 a hat-trick at the Berlin Olympics. This era is called the golden period of Indian hockey. To hear the tales of Dhyan Chand's craftsmanship, once in Holland they broke his stick to check whether there was a magnet inside. In Japan they thought it was glue. In Germany, Adolf Hitler wanted to buy the stick. In 1948, Major Dhyan Chand announced his retirement. He had scored more than 400 goals in his international career. In 1956, Major Dhyan Chand was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the third largest civilian honor in India. In 1952, Dhyan Chand's autobiography Goal was published. In December 3, 1979, Major Dhyan Chand died in Delhi. National Stadium in Delhi was renamed to Dhyan Chand National Stadium in 2002. A commemoration postage stamp was introduced on 3 December 1980. National Sports Day is organized every year in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the President of India presents National Sports Award to the outstanding players of the country. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching.